The VR Smoke School program is 100% free to use. No credit card is required. You only pay when you pass the certification test on a VR headset. Welcome to the VR Smoke School YouTube channel. This video is an introduction to my background, what to expect on our channel, and a brief overview of the VR Smoke School program. My name is Gabe Kyleholes. I have over 25 years of experience in the visible emissions and smoke school field, and oversaw approximately 6,000 in-person smoke school events and the issuance of 150,000 EPA Method 9 certifications. Throughout my career, I attempted to make the in-person smoke school process as efficient and effective as possible, but scheduling, weather, and travel issues that affected the client and the consistency of the test could not be overcome. This led me to come up with the concept of using virtual reality for EPA Method 9 certification, and I presented it to the EPA. The EPA showed interest, and I proceeded with research and development. Through that research, I developed the technical requirements for ALT-152 and co-authored the method with the EPA Research Triangle. As such, I have unique knowledge of the reasons behind the ALT-152 requirements. Our team has over 45 years of smoke school experience. On this channel, we are going to cover the following: understanding the details and background of ALT-152 and EPA Method 9 and how they tie together, where ALT-152 can be used, the EPA approval process for an ALT-152 provider, a comparison between in-person smoke school and VR smoke school, tips on how to read opacity during a smoke school, and on sources you observe in the field, a checklist of things to look for when choosing an in-person or virtual smoke school provider. There are good operators and poor operators. I'll provide you with some questions to help differentiate them. On this channel, we'll also cover details and unique qualities about our VR Smoke School program. Some of these include: the VR Smoke School program is 100% free to use. Registration takes about 30 seconds, and students gain immediate, unlimited access to our comprehensive online lecture and the visual test. You can test drive the entire program at no cost. No credit card is required. You can access the VR Smoke School program immediately from a computer. Our program is web-based, and you can access it from any desktop, laptop, or VR headset with an internet connection. There are no apps or complicated steps. You only pay when you pass the certification test on a VR headset and choose to validate your EPA Method 9 certification test. When payment is received, you will have instant access to your EPA Method 9 certification. Our program is not locked to a specific VR headset. You can purchase an approved VR headset for around $300 from most online retailers or local retailers such as Walmart or Best Buy. One headset can be used for an unlimited number of users and certifications or any other uses. All approved VR headsets are standalone units, which means they are wireless and not connected to a computer. They are all very easy to use, even if you have no VR experience. If you're ready to try out the VR Smoke School program, register for your free account at vrsmokeschool.com. You can also check out our new process page that details the entire VR Smoke School process. I'll put links in the description below. Thank you for watching. We look forward to earning your trust and your business.